My channel is Esteem Self Wellness at Diosa Stars, and I see you for my next videos. Come with me to my journey towards stress therapy today. I'm still learning how to use my latest phone. It is the weekend. Just got done at the little shopping, little tiny shopping. Now it's time to get some fresh air and enjoy the day for a little bit. So it is cloudy. It is cloudy today. I'm alone. I'm alone and lonely. I need someone. That's the best thing about being no string attached, no aggravated husband, no aggravated boyfriend, no annoying lovers, no insecure husband asking me to cook, clean, to do some house remodeling and laundry and all the sleeping together for free. Anyway, it's just, yeah, that's just how best thing of being single, no string attached. Single in relationship, no string attached, is being able to, I call it like a single freedom. Freedom for free. Freedom of being single, being able to do what I want. If I want to laugh, if I want to be alone, if I want to go go looking around the world, shopping in the makeup store, maybe in a little bit I'm going to the thrift store. I'm going to thrift shopping. Yeah, I like to go to the thrift stores, thrift shopping. That's my favorite. I'm still able to learn. I'm still learning how to use this new phone I have. So I haven't been able to do something, some posting and all that stuff. Oh my gosh, it is crazy out there. People just having fun, and while I am here, I'm just relaxing and enjoying my day, getting some fresh air in the natures before I go back to do my shopping around, looking around. Thrift shopping, yeah, let's go. And all the good things, right? Right? Alright, come with me towards my power walking and the woods and the neck of the woods. It's nice here. I'm just gonna stay here. I don't want to be there because lots of people. I'd rather be here, right? I'd rather be here enjoying no people. Fresh air, greenery. I love it. I love it, baby. Yes. Let's go. Let's go with me. Yeah, I'm just gonna get like a 20-30 minutes exercise here at the woods, and then I'm going to go to the thrift stores shopping. I am a proud thrift stores shopping girls, right? Yeah, it's good to go most of the time, go to the thrift stores. My money lasts longer there. I also don't mind shopping at the expensive stores, but look at this. It's gorgeous. It's the middle of the woods. It's nice and cold. Cool. Yeah. I'm just by myself. I need someone to love. Now look at this beautiful, gorgeous. I love these wildflowers on the side of the road. These hidden, quiet flowers on the side of the road. Alright. I think I have at least 20 minutes or 20 minutes or a little bit between 20 and 30 minutes. So I think I'm gonna go ahead to the shopping. Stress therapy shopping at the thrift stores. Come with me. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are again doing our stress therapy at the middle of the woods. How's everybody doing this time? Hope everybody is in a blessed condition, healthy mind, physically, mentally, and financially wise, right? That's what we all want. That's what we all need. Anyway, I'm just gonna continue walking towards my vehicle. I see you later. Beautiful flowers, beautiful roses, gorgeous landscaping. There's another one right here. It's another beauty. Cereal roses, beautiful landscaping, gorgeous, beautiful, vibrant, charming bloom, beauty of natures. Let's get ready for shopping. Here we go. Go girl.